Hi everyone. Today is It's My Bag Day for the It's My Bag Day challenge that's going on by Cindy T. I will leave her link in the description so that y'all can find her and look at everyone else's bags and just check out our channel. She's a wonderful artist and I think that y'all would enjoy it. So my plan was to turn on my camera and decorate the bag in front of y'all, do a craft with me. But if y'all saw my last video, you know I've got a new puppy. And I forgot how much like a toddler a new puppy is. But I got it together just 2 days later than I intended, and here we are. So, a couple years ago, I made 2 pet keepsake journals. I'm getting off pieces of hot glue, and y'all love them. And that is what I thought of for the prompt that Cindy gave us. The prompt for this week's bag is circles and buttons. And so I've made another pet keepsake journal out of bags. So I've got a bag here that I decorated and a bag in the back. Now, I am not done at all with this journal, but I am pretty much done with the cover. I've thought of a couple other little things that I'd like to do, but I did want to share this within this week, being it was this week's prompt. But the next time you see it, there are likely to be just a couple of little small additions to the front, along with some useful stuff in the bag. But I thought with 2 bags, how great would that be to be able to keep scrapbook memories of your pet, shot records, vet bills, any prescriptions that they might have. Let me show y'all a little bit. First, let me let y'all get a close-up of this cover so far. It is layered, layered, layered. And we have pastel here. We have pastel shabby. It's a little bit different from my norm. My norm is usually more rustic shabby, Victorian shabby, shabby chic. But this is pastel shabby, and I think it's just gorgeous. I love how it turned out. But definitely something really beautiful is going to go up here as well. Can y'all hear my puppy? She got something. What have you got? Oh, okay. All right. She's fine with it. All right. But let me show y'all a little bit of the papers on the inside. They are absolutely adorable. Okay. I'm going to decorate this as well. The inside. Y'all know I always make my inside really beautiful. But look at the papers. Oh, my goodness. Plenty of places to write. I am going to make sure that there's a place in here for vaccinations, tag information, and stuff like that. So definitely not done with here. And, you know, I'll also put in some really cool places and for tucks and bits and pieces and different pieces of ephemera and everything like that as well, like I always do. But I think it's just adorable, and I think it's going to end up being a really special piece for somebody. I need to make my own doggies one. It's so pretty. I love these papers. So cute. So cute. And again, the other bag, and this will be decorated. And more space to put some treasures, some important information. And the back is beautiful as well. So, I'm not done with this, but I did want y'all to see what I've got so far, and I wanted to participate in this week's challenge. If you know that you already want this and don't want to lose it once it gets posted in my Etsy shop, just let me know and I'll save it for you and, you know, do a reserve for you. But anyway, y'all, thanks for watching, and y'all check out Cindy's channel and check out the other wonderful artists doing this challenge as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.